Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you a 2020 215 XSF from Scout Boats. I'm going to go ahead and start in the back of the boat. This does have an extended rear platform with a ladder over there. This boat is powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha, and there's a massive live well back here. You put plenty of pinfish, finger mullet, shrimp, whatever you're looking to fish with that day. There's also 4 rod holders in the back, 2 cup holders, and this is one of the coolest features. This seat folds down out of the way, but if you want to take a dinner cruise out, all you have to do is lift it up. There's plenty of seating right there. Also in the side of the boat, there's rod holders and the gunnel, and again, very easy to fold away. This hatch will access the bilge area, so you can access your batteries, bilge pumps, water pumps, everything like that. This boat did come with a cooler. You have 3 additional cup holders right here, 4 additional rod holders right here. There's lights built into the hardtop. Now moving forward, the leaning post does have flip-up bolsters. You have a nice comfy footrest right there. You have your shifter right here, and a Garmin screen was optioned for this boat, along with a tilt steering wheel, fusion head unit, all your switches at the reach of an arm, and the Linko trim tab system. Now moving forward, plenty of room at the front of the boat. There is plenty of room inside the helm as well. There's a door on the opposite side. But this is one of the coolest features. A huge bow seating area, and look how much storage you have in there. It's incredible. These backrests are removable. There's storage under all of those seats right there, and anchor locker storage in the front as well. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston showing you the 215 XSF by Scout Boats. Come by and see us soon.